Always Believe is a stunning example of a 40 meters Maiora superyacht, and it costs about $117,300 per week in both summer and winter. Accommodating 12 guests in 5 staterooms, she is sleek and offers exhilarating performance with a maximum speed of 30 knots and a cruising speed of 24 knots. A covered flybridge with huge chill-out area, aft deck seating and al fresco dining, foredeck sunbathing spots, beautifully proportioned lounge and dining table, and a walk-in beach deck are just a few of her fantastic features. She boasts bright, fresh, inviting interiors. Huge covered flybridge with al fresco dining and lounge areas. Can comfortably accommodate 12 guests in 5 staterooms. Very contemporary, charter-friendly bright interior. Impressive top speeds of 30 knots. Large swim platform with easy access to the sea, ideal for sunbathing.